We're back in the studio. I've got my new equipment from Micro Center set up, and we're ready to dive into our first Excel tutorial on how to create a pivot table. So let's get to it. For example, here we have sales data and want to summarize monthly sales by region using a pivot table. To create a pivot table, select the data by pressing Ctrl A and insert a pivot table by navigating to the Insert tab and selecting the pivot table command. Double check that the correct range is selected here and then define where you want to insert the pivot table. Now that we've inserted our pivot table, all we need to do is build the table by dragging and dropping the fields into the correct area in the pivot table field window. So if we want to summarize sales by region by month, first, let's set up the table by populating the rows and columns, by dropping the month field into the rows area and the region field into the columns area. Now all we have to do is drop the sales field into the values area and our pivot table is complete. See, creating a pivot table wasn't that bad, right? If you enjoyed the quality of this video and want to start creating content yourself, make sure to check out Micro Center's top deals using the link in my bio.